Hi, and I welcome you all for the today's session 1 in Unit 1 of Understanding of Vector-Based Graphics. Let us see the topic which are going to cover in this session one by one. First, we will study about what is a vector graphic, how it has been made, and what the application is used to create a vector graphics. Then we see the different types of vector file formats. Next, we will see the what is bitmap graphics, how it was made up of, and what are the applications used to create a bitmap graphic. Then we will study the different types of bitmap graphics file format. Finally, we will see the difference between vector graphics and a raster graphics along with a multiple choice question. Now we will understand the concept one by one. A vector graphics created in an illustration program like Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a common application used in throughout the world, and Adobe Illustrator works as a user-friendly for printing and publishing applications. And the remaining softwares are CorelDRAW and Freehand are commonly used within Karnataka. This is also used to create a vector graphics. The object of vector graphics are made up of mathematically defined as a curve and line segments. These vector graphics are made up of with the mathematical equations to draw out designs. Finally, these mathematical equations are translated into points that are connected either lines or curve and to make a vector path. Normally, a line or any shape, it must consisting of starting and ending point. To join those points, we use a line or a curve. It is called a vector path. Adobe Illustrator is one of the best application software which gives more preferable solutions for printing applications. Normally, if you created in a one place, send to other place, if this software is not there, then the problems will occur during printing. The same applications can open in other area, also it will open. Next, we will see the different file formats. .svg, .eps, .pdf. Let us understand and thoroughly with each file format where it is used and how it is made. .svg stands for abbreviated as Scalar Vector Graphics. Normally it was made up of with XML based scripting language to create a two-dimensional image which supports for interactive animations and web applications. Next, we will see the .aps. This is the most common file format which is used for a vector graphics because it consisting of both text and graphics as well as color information. The created in Illustrator, it has saved as .illustrator EPS file. Whatever we have created in Illustrator graphic, save it as EPS, can be open and edit with other vector edit software, not bitmap software. Example, CorelDRAW and Freehand. Whatever we have created in Illustrator software can be opened in a CorelDRAW or a Freehand to edit and modulate and send it for further process. Next, we have .pdf. And one more thing, .eps stands for Encapsulated PostScript. The encapsulate PostScript, which helps in to prepare an image carrier material during a plate processor or film processing. Because computer will understand the computer language and the machine will understand only the PostScript language. So the EPS5 format supports the image setters and film setters process. Next, .pdf stands are abbreviated as portable document format. In the answer itself, we will, expansion itself, we will get a clue of portable document format design. Portable stands for these document format can be opened in any device and any operating platform. So it is called an independent device or a platform document format. This type of file format captured all the print document as an electronic image which can be viewed and navigate for the print even for forward someone else easily, and later it can be uploaded easily in a worldwide application. Common file format can be used for n number of platforms to open as well as device. So it is not dependent only on one device or one platform. Next, students see the vector graphics created through a Illustrator software which was made up of lines and drawing. Carefully see the second one. What is doing, what we are doing, enlarging the image. Carefully see this ear part. After enlarging, then also it does not lose or change any quality of the image. Why? Because this is made up of with lines and drawings. This is the one of the best advantage of vector graphics image file format. Bitmap graphics is also called as raster graphics. Sometimes it may call it as pixel based. It is made up of a tiny square pixels. Depending upon the pixel accumulation or compressed in a particular area will define the graphics or the image quality or the resolution. Raster graphics are mainly used in display systems or monitor, finally in the paper or after printing. Depending upon the resolution, the image quality has been decided. If the pixels are more, then the image quality is more. Then the resolution of we can call it as the resolution of an image is also more. If it is less pixels in a particular area of an image, we can say that it is low resolution of an image. Once a raster graphics has created certain sizes, it can be extended up to a certain limit. Behind the limit, if we expand or enlarge behind the limit, then it loses its quality as well as resolution. Quality is nothing but resolution of an image. Why? Because the pixels gets enlarged in a particular area, the accumulations become less. Instead of enlarging, we can decrease it so that the image quality will improve, but the size of the image is reduced. This is the advantage and disadvantage of raster-based graphics. Now, the different file formats of raster-based file formats. First one is .jpeg, second one is .bmp, third one is .tiff. Now we will understand one by one, or we can clearly see what it exactly, where it applies in the printing or publishing industry or some other applications. The JPEG. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Groups. Name itself, it says that it can be used for a digital camera and photographic equipments, but most commonly used in a worldwide applications because the JPEG formats, which consisting of the color information, is less for printing, but for the viewing purpose, it will be good. The file size of the JPEG when compared to other file format, it is less. So it compresses the pixels when in the ratio of 1:10. A 1% of ratio of the pixels can be compressed in 1/10 of its parts. So the resolution as well as the image size is reduced. Next. .bmp. BMP is known as a bitmap image file format which can be created through a photo paint in the OS Microsoft OS operating system, commonly used for a bitmap digital images. Sometimes these files can be used for printing. .tiff. .tiff stands for tagged image file format. The image compressed with all the tag of the information including color, text and graphs. Most commonly used in printing applications because it does not lose its quality. It is a lossless compression. So most widely used file format, raster based file format used for a graphic artist and even in printing and publishing industry photograph also. Now let us see the difference of raster based file image. See this image, previously this image was created through lines and curves, but in raster based it is made up of pixels. Both are images. What will happen if you enlarge it raster based graphic? Students, carefully observe the second one. This image is getting enlarged. Certain limit it could look. After the limit, if you expand or enlarge, then it loses its quality. Even we call it as the resolution, so that it looks blur. This is the difference between a vector graphics and the bitmap graphics. Now you have understood clearly what is the difference between raster graphics and the bitmap graphics. Once again, we will discuss about this. Raster graphics are made up of pixels which cannot be scalable beyond the limit. At certain extent we can enlarge it, but later to enlarge the image then it loses its resolution of an image so that it looks like a blur image. Vice versa, the vector graphics are made up of lines and curves. One of the advantages is it can be extended or enlarged at any size without loss of the resolution of an image. Now we will see the difference between vector graphics and raster graphics. Already we have discussed. So how to write a difference between a vector graphics and raster graphics? Let us see. Vector graphics are made up of lines and drawings, which is nothing but various shapes. The raster based are made up of dots, it is nothing but compressed of pixels. Vector graphics can be scalable at any size or any extent. Raster graphics cannot be enlarged after the limit. If you scale it, it's lost its quality. Vector graphics can convert as a raster graphics, but raster graphics cannot be converted as a vector graphic. This is the disadvantage. The vector graphics file formats are commonly used is .svg, .pdf, .eps. The raster graphics are commonly used is .bmp, .jpeg, png, zip or sometimes stick files. This is the image which created in a both vector and a raster based image. Let us finally, we will discuss about a multiple choice question. The mathematical equations are translated into points that are connected by either lines or curves, and it is also known as dash. Every line or any shape, there is required a start point and end point in Illustrator software. So now clue you have got. Let us see the options one by one. First is strokes, second one is shapes, third one is vector path, and fourth one is none of the above. Next question. EPS stands for. These five formats can consist both text, graphics, as well as color information without loss its quality, which are mainly used in a printing image carrier preparation. This is the clue. First option is scalable vector graphics. Second option is encapsulated PostScript. Third one is PDF or portable document format. Last one is none of the above. Next question. Dash file is network printer definition file. These type of file formats will support for network printing. First option is scalable vector graphics, encapsulated PostScript, and third one is portable document format, and none of the above. The clue is this type of file format is device independent file format. Next question. Dash files can contain text as well as graphics for editing any vector graphics. The created vector graphics can be opened in other vector graphics software to edit and send it for printing. Options are scalable vector graphics, encapsulated PostScript, and portable document, and none of the above. Next question. Dash file specification is an open standard developed by the World Wide Web Consortium. The clue is this type of file formats created through XML language, and it can be easily uploaded in a worldwide web application for the internet purposes. One is scalable vector graphics, second one is encapsulated PostScript, third one is portable document format, and last one is none of the above. Next question. Raster graphics are made up of tiny squares called dash. Within a particular area, it is compressed or accumulated with that. Depending upon that, the resolution of the image has been defined. The options are box, shapes, pixels, or none of the above. Next question. Which graphic file format image can be scaled up without losing the image quality? So, if you created a graphics, if you enlarge at any extent without loss its image quality means resolution. This is the clue. Let us see the options one by one. Color image, a vector-based graphics, portable document format, and bitmap graphic. Next question. JPEG stands for. The clue is it is used in photographic applications and used in web applications. Joint Photo Express Group, Joint Photographic Experts Group, Joint Photo Extension Group, and none of the above. Next question. Tagged image, TIFF stands for, which are mainly used in a printing application. It is a raster-based file format. First option is tagged image file format. Second is total image file format. Third one is tiny image file format, and none of the image. One more clue is this file can combine with all the information, text, graphics, and color information without loss its resolution. The compression ratio is 10:1. Hattara ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. So it is called as lossless compression. Next question. Which type of graphics file format image can be made up with various shapes? Whatever may be the shape or a drawing, it is created through how? In lines, it may be box, it may be any other shapes. One is bitmap graphics, vector-based graphics, and portable document format, and none of the above. Next question. Dash are the raster file formats. We may call it as bitmap file formats. The below given options are .svg, .pdf, .eps. EPS and the PDF are vector-based file format. Next, .jpeg, .eps, .pmp. .eps is a vector-based file format. Next is .bmp, .jpeg, and .tiff made up of pixels. Last one is none of the above. The clue is already you got it. Before answering these questions, carefully read once the study material along with go through the PPT. I thank you all once again.